used to rent it, took it.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Well, somebody took it.
Somebody. Well, and I'm stupid enough I can't remember where my key is. The one I had. So since I was wanting to change all the tumblers anyway, because I've got the new clients wanting to move in here soon, I just got to get all the work done.
What are you doing in here?
Oh, I'm going to, paint all this. I'm getting new awnings out here, and then, inside you just need some painting and get the lights all working and just normal stuff.
That's
Let me
one.
hold that for you. Good job there.
You got kind of lost. Stay the motor videos, huh? So we've got 6 Rekeys in total. Let's rekey them.